One look at this contraption and you're sure to ask yourself, what the hell is that? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com where my newsletter is free. It is called a monowheel, and this one happens to be electric. It's from the creative team at Make It Extreme. They designed it with a massive 57-inch wheel wrapped in a Frankenstein monster of motorcycle tires. And at its core, two repurposed hoverboard motors nestled in a go-kart tire, all working together to propel this beast forward. This electric monowheel packs a punch with explosive torque controlled by a simple twist of the throttle. The designers haven't forgotten comfort either, adding coil shocks for a smoother ride and even a kickstand for easy parking. I gotta tell you, some of its first riders are saying that it's really challenging to control, and let's face it, it looks pretty dangerous to ride. So while it may not be replacing your bike or scooter anytime soon, it certainly proves that the future of transportation could get a lot wilder than we ever imagined. More crazy cool tech like this at CyberGuy.com. If you're not already getting my newsletter, open a browser, type CyberGuy.com, click the red button, and you're in.